Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the minimum width on any Samsung phone. To do that, open Settings, About Phone, Software Information. Now just tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer mode. Now enter your PIN, tap on OK, go back, developer options. Now just search minimum width. Minimum width. From here you can change the minimum width. Just like that. And this is how you can change the minimum width on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.